Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset on your earbuds EDIFIER NeoDots. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. At the right side we have connectional button and you need to press and hold. I need to press 3 times at this button. 1, 2, 3. And now, as you can see, this light starts blinking orange, so this is actually all what we need. Then we need to remove these earbuds from your phone and then add it to your phone. So, open Settings and go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, after that click Pair New Device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth or just go back and return here. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we don't need to use a connectional button, just tap at your earbuds at the device list. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!